Hey, this is the new Rust-based code editor called Labs, and it is very lightweight and fast than VS Code. So I wanted to try it out. I installed it, and I'm a TypeScript developer, but uh, it didn't configured automatically by installing an extension that it has by the author Panic. So I did I did the configuration manually, and that's why I'm making this video. If it isn't working for you also, you can follow this guide. And another thing, if this lapse is not opening from terminal, for example, let me show you how. Lapse. So the code editor for you is not opening like this, then you need to download from here using brew, and it will automatically set the path. Okay, so I'll show you what I did. So currently it's working for me. I have done the setup already, but for the first time it didn't work. So first of all, I installed this extension, and the author has given instructions for installing TLS and TypeScript globally. I have already installed it, and after that you have to add this configuration into settings.toml file of labs. So this command palette also was not working due to some bug, but now it's working fine. So this is the file, open settings.file, and this is the configuration which you see here. So if it is not working by directly installing this, so you need to go to this path, and you can also do this, find name of the file is settings.toml. So it will find the file. Yeah, here it is. This is the path. You need to go there and open settings.toml file and add this thing into that file. Yeah, and one more thing, if you don't know the exact path of this, I will suggest finding it first. So you need to type which TypeScript language server, so it will output the path. Copy this and paste it here. After that, save it, close it, and do restart, and it will start working. You can see it is suggesting errors and also type hints. Alright, I'm not a professional tutorial maker, so